I'm about to go to the hairdresser. I'm gonna vlog today. It's the day before Eid. So I'm making bread, and then I'm also gonna make eclairs later, and then I'm also gonna make some desserts like a put together thing. So me and my daughter, we are off to the hairdresser. How do you like your hair, Mira? Like it? It's CMO. Yeah, the layers in your hair. Yours. I'm going to start the eclairs now. We're at home, obviously, and then my bread is taking so long to raise that I'm a bit worried to die, sorry. So I've just put two, and I've put on the light in the oven. I'm hoping that will. So I'm watching my video, and I've got my shoe in ready to put on. This is the bread, and then these are how the eclairs came out. Just came out of the oven now. Made some holes at the bottom. So these are the individual desserts. So it's chocolate muffins and mousse and cream, a little bit of ganache, and chocolate chuckles. It's Eid! It's breakfast time. Rayan, is your pencil hurting you? No. Okay. Yes, pie. Tea. Burfi. Okay. Yeah, so what did you do? How was it at gymnastics?
I'm fine. Yesterday I went to ice cream shop, and then I had to get the ice cream, a bubblegum, after a Smarties, and then I went to swimming, and then I had to eat a little noodles,
Yeah.
and then I had to clean juice, and then after that I need to check it, and then I did bath, and then I need to go home, and then I sleep, and then I wake up on the morning, and then I eat, and then I go to the toilet, and I want to see Kika.
There's Tiga.
Kika's over his head.
Yeah.
And then,
So you did a lot of stuff yesterday.
yeah, I did a lot of stuff. I was tired a little bit. Listen, this is me friend. Wait, I'm talking to mommy.
I'm taking a video of you. Is that fine?
This is off. And then I was going to sleep, and then I wake up in the morning. It was Wednesday. I first go to the toilet.
Okay, so enough. Yeah.
And we also
So, I'm not feeling so great. I have migraine, and I've been working a bit today. Yeah, so I'm just, struggling through the day. So Megan went away from like 10 o'clock this morning, and then I came back at 4 o'clock. Anyway, we're gonna go fetch our kids now by my in-laws, and then, yeah, that's it. Don't have much to do. Yeah, hopefully tomorrow will be better. I'm thinking of going to like a event for Bluey for the kids. So I am going to be making banana bread, some chocolate thing. I just decided to make some now because I've got these really spotty bananas left, actually. So we're gonna use them. And today's the last day before they go off, completely off. So just cutting the chocolate. So I need a cup. I'm gonna use some of the Calabo chocolate as well. So I need a cup. Okay, so here's all my ingredients. Not the coffee, but I've just basically prepped everything, eggs and everything now, and I'm going to brown my butter. And it is in the oven, so we will see it in an hour's time. Just took it out the oven and looking good. So we are at Ocean Basket. How is the food, Hamad? And you still have your sushi here, eh? Oh, okay, it's Sunday and we're gonna go to the beach today. So I'm just packing. Yeah, so yeah, so we're just going to pack these 2 bags of stuff. Take the sweets out. And yeah, I'm going to make sure we try and put everything in here.
Lady wants to put pepperoni.
There. Here.